Hi guys, welcome to our channel.
Silver fanatic.
Yes,
that's the
of
one
course.
over there. That is us, the fanatic, the fanatics.
Yes, the fanatic one.
Yeah, guys. You will own nothing, and you'll be happy at the same time.
Sounds like a Great Reset logo.
Hey, that sounds like
slogan,
a hashtag vision, eh?
Whatever.
The Great Reset vision, guys. I think everyone is aware of that. They know it. But you'll be surprised that the Great Reset, there are people that they are afraid of.
Yeah.
I think most people don't know that.
Yeah, but we'll find out when we go to the video.
When we go deep
who
into
those
the video,
people?
who are exactly those people that the Great Reset is afraid of?
Yeah.
When we dive into the video, guys.
Yeah,
okay.
But so far there is one that they are winning. Those people that they have taken control of them already, and they feel like they're winning them.
I feel as well. I feel that they are winning them. Some of the people that we're referring to is the people that lives in the city, which is us. They feel that they have taken control, but unfortunately, I don't think so.
Yes,
but
there is some.
Yeah, but I'm sad to bust the bubble. I don't think they have taken over or taken control. Yeah, because human beings are stubborn species. Yes, they are stubborn species. They tried with the pandemic and all that. That's true. But we are still stubborn.
Yeah, but people that's scaring them. The Great Reset, they are very scared of the people who are living outside the city.
Yes, guys. Those are the people that the Great Reset is extremely afraid of. It's those people that are doing it on their own. Those people that are growing their own food,
buying large big farms.
Those people, that's the people that the Great Reset is afraid of them, because they feel threatened that they will not be able to take control over those people, because as we speak, those people are not relying on anyone to survive.
Without them.
They are used to survive without anyone dictating or telling them what to do, because they can grow their own food. They can make their own medicine, the herbs and all that. So already that's a big threat, because
them.
The Great Reset's purpose is to take over everyone.
Yeah, but you can drop us a comment and tell us what do you think we can do to escape this Great Reset. Yes,
on a comment below.
We do have our own.
Yeah, we do have our own, but we'll mention it towards the end of the video, how you can escape this Great Reset. Yeah, but just on the comment below.
Drop it and
tell us how can we escape. Maybe there's something survive the Great Reset. Maybe there's something that we'll be living out. Maybe the community members know that we will not mention. So it's mostly like sharing on how we can survive, because this thing is gonna affect us all. Yes. Yeah.
By sharing, we're gonna survive. Yeah.
And because the Great Reset strongly feels that there are people that are going to be against it.
Yeah, they do.
They strongly feel that.
They know how stubborn we are.
Hey, they know the species. This species is so stubborn.
Yeah.
You can try numerous ways to impose fear upon them, but
they wanna try and do ways to cause fear for those who come against them. We saw in the what is that?
The truckers.
The truckers
in Canada. So they know that most people will be against them. So the truckers in Canada, we saw what happened to them.
Yeah.
When they were protesting, fighting for their rights. Yeah, they froze their accounts. They froze their accounts, and with the new technology now, it will be very easy. It will just be a click. The CBDC, yeah, that's what we're referring to. The new technology.
It will be much easier.
It will be a click of a button. Just one click, your account will be frozen.
Yes.
Yeah. So I think for you to escape the Great Reset.
Yeah, for us, we're not financial advisors.
We are really not financial advisors,
just go
guys.
do your own research.
Do your own due diligence, guys. We are really not financial advisors. We're just having a talk,
on the
sharing with the guys on the internet.
Yeah.
But we feel that you must be debt free.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, definitely.
Yeah, don't have any debts. That's what we feel.
Credit card free.
Credit card free, yeah. Debts you must not have, and must buy farms. Yeah, don't buy that fancy house that you want to show off to your friend or to your whoever. But don't buy that. Purchase a farm instead of that fancy house.
Yeah, that's true.
That is how we feel that you can position yourself better to deal with the Great Reset, and also buy these guys, precious metals.
Yeah, gold, silver,
whatever.
Platinum, palladium, whatever you can buy.
And copper.
Copper,
and don't
yes.
Copper. Buy precious metals, guys. That's how we feel that we will stand a chance on escaping the Great Reset. Yeah, and the crypto, guys. Don't forget it. Let's not forget crypto. Yeah. That's very nice. Let's not forget crypto, guys. Crypto is also important.
Yeah.
Include it as well.
Yeah.
Of your choice. Yes. Of your choice. But
not specific.
I would recommend XRP, but we're not financial advice, as we've mentioned.
Yeah.
Yeah, but crypto of your choice.
Yeah.
Okay. All right, guys.
Yeah. But don't forget to tell us
on the comment below.
Yes.
Just tell us on the comment below what you think, how we can escape the Great Reset.
Yeah.
Yes, guys.
We think we can buy those food things like those seeds,
the tins,
the tins,
the sealed tins, the canned stuff.
Yes, and those seeds that you can plant, and
the seeds as well. Yeah, once you have a farm.
Yeah, I think those
are the things, guys, that you can position you better for the Great Reset. Guys.
Prepare, whatever. Yes.
Yeah.
Yeah, I think that you can survive this Great Reset.
Yeah, with those things.
Because with this new, they're gonna dictate you what you need to buy, when you need to buy with this CBDC.
Yeah, so CBDC is just here to monitor you. And not give you a free will and do things in your own will. So that's how we feel that you can escape this Great Reset. Yeah, guys, and don't forget there is a 600 sub GAW.
Guys,
yeah, it's still on, guys. Go for that GAW. We'll leave the
video and the link, the picture of the video, and the link.
We'll leave it on the description, the link to that video, guys. Okay, and we'll pin it on our comment.
Yes.
The link to that 600 giveaway.
Or subscribe, leave a comment.
I
think there was a word.
Hey, I even forgot. But there is a magic word.
Yeah,
but when you listen to the video, you know exactly.
Yes.
Okay, don't forget to enter that 600 giveaway.
Thank you for our new subscribers.
Thank you so much. We really appreciate it.
We appreciate it. Yes. And our returning.
Thank you so much.
Our family.
Yeah. Okay.
All right. Thanks. Bye.